Hello everyone, we are back with another YouTube video. Last time we resumed that how programming languages work. Now we are selecting only one, that is Python, and we will discuss it in our remaining videos, okay, of this lecture. Now, what is Python? Python is just a simple programming language. It is a very simple, easy to read and easy to understand and like a very user friendly language. Okay, just like with human languages there are many different programming languages. We can accomplish approximately the same thing in all of them. Okay, just like I discussed in my previous video that we have different languages. It is just a medium, and it is a way to transform or transfer for our like our thoughts and our missions, goals, whatever. Okay, same case with the programming languages. It only the difference is like how to write this language and how it is going to interpret or translate. And some programming languages may have more functions, more performance than others. Okay, uh, nowadays Python is very like vast using language, and many it gives many libraries and different things so that we can easily understand and uh, accomplish our goal. Okay, now, Python is often described as easy to read, as I discussed. It is not completely different how we write mathematics. Okay, when we will use like when we're going to write uh, a program in Python, then we will see how it is easy to understand and how can we understand it and write our thoughts or write our task in Python. Python 16 syntax is designed to be simple and easy to understand, which reduce the cost of program maintenance and development. This makes it an ideal language for beginners. Okay, if you don't have any idea about programming language and you are going to start with Python, you can easily understand it just with the basic concepts. Okay, it is very easy in compared with other language like Java, C Sharp, and C++, etc. Now we will see what are the data types in in Python or in any programming language. Okay, a data type is a classification that specifies which type of value a variable can hold. It tells the compiler or interpreter how the programmer intend to use the data. All right. For example, uh, machine cannot understand by itself what we are seeing and what we want from it. Okay, we need to describe each and everything in order to understand by the machine. Okay, data type here is something like we can compare it with you can say English language. We have he, she, it, and that. Now if we use he in a tense, we can easily understand that he is used for a boy, and we is used for us, and they is used for them, etc. Same data types in programming languages can also be like that. Okay, we have data types define the characteristics of data such as size of memory allocated, the range of values that can be stored, and the operation that can be performed on it. Okay, there are some types of Python, some data types of Python: integer, float, string, boolean, array, dictionary, long, tuple. What are these? Like if we want to like make a simple calculator that only get integer values like 1 2 3, like we cannot add is 1.2 1.3. Okay, in integer we can only store 1 2 3 4 5 single digit or double digit, like without the decimal point. Okay, in float we can give it to in point values like 3.1 plus 5, answer will be in also in float. String is English sentence, we can say. For example, I want to say tens is equals to my name is Diz. ठीक है, my name is Diz or whatever. So in a string will store the English like character of sentence. Boolean will only store yes or no answer, like true and false. Array will store many we can say many integers, many floors. Like in an array we have a list of, we can say we have list of numbers or strings, data type, whatever. When we will do it practically, we can easily understand. Dictionary is a dictionary, like we have key and value. We will give a key and value in different formats. There is different format to write a dictionary in. Long is for large numbers and tuple is for rows, something. Now